Shit, boss.
Unbelievable!
Someone's fucked up there, haven't they? That's a big old hole.
It wasn't fucking you, was it?
Nah, boss. Wasn't me.
Oh, meu Deus!
You know anything about this fucking hole, Fernandez?
Não fui eu, chefe. Eu jamais fazia isso aqui. Eu não consigo fazer. Eu não falo nem inglês.
What the fuck did he just say?
I think he was saying that he's sorry. Yeah. He's saying sorry that he fucked the wall. Yeah, it was him. It was him.
You fucking idiot!
Are you all good, Fernandez?